Hey, welcome back, TechLead here. Hi sisters! I'm sorry, I'm dealing with a little bit of identity crisis at the moment. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iftikhar, and today we're going to be talking about this one thing that I wish I knew before becoming a software developer, engineer, programmer, coder. If you don't know this about me, I'm a software developer. I've been programming and coding for almost 10 years now. I'm one of those self-taught early starter kids. And during this time, I've worked with all sorts of companies. I've worked with startups, big companies, private sectors, government agencies. After being in this industry for 10 years, I wish I knew this one thing before getting started or early on when I was getting started. I wish someone held my hand and told me,
"Little Iftikhar, you seem lost."
But it never happened. If I knew this one thing, I would have been way ahead of who I am right now. But you don't worry, because you have a big bro like me. I don't want to see you lost like Little Iftikhar. So here it is. One thing I wish I knew before getting started. Do not compare yourself with others. I know it sounds like not very important, but let me explain. Let's say you are a web developer and you meet this guy named Josh who works at Apple as an iOS developer and makes a lot of money. The first thing that comes to your mind, you're like, web development sucks! And you start questioning your career and you're like, let's change fields and start iOS development. And then you go ahead and start learning Objective-C or Swift, which takes you a couple of months to a year to learn and to make your portfolio. What ends up happening, you go backwards instead of going forward. Now you're an okay iOS developer and an okay web developer. Companies don't want okay developers. They want the best developers. And what you actually don't know, Josh envies a life of a desktop application developer at Microsoft. So if you think about it, it's a full circle. Another example, you just graduated college and you meet this guy named Tom. Tom is a great programmer and he's unemployed. And when you watch him code, you're like, whoa, 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 whoa. He's an excellent programmer and that you can never be like him. And that discourages you from becoming a software developer that you want. Because you're like, if someone were to hire a developer, Tom deserves the position. But there's two things that you're missing here. First, you don't know how long has Tom been programming. He could be programming since the middle school. And second, everybody has their own journey. Maybe the reason Tom is unemployed is because Tom is not as good at explaining things, or he's not as good at resume writing. Again, at the end of the day, everybody has their own journey. So my advice to you is stop comparing yourself with other developers and stick with one field and become an expert. There you have it. Let me know, what do you think in the comment section down below. And also, if you like videos like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next time, peace.